Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the physical basics, because a loose cable causes most no-signal issues. First, swap to the original or a known good HDMI cable and firmly reseat both ends. This rules out bad wiring. Next, make sure the TV input is set to the exact HDMI port the Xbox is plugged into, and then power cycle the Xbox and TV, unplug for 10 seconds, plug back in. Once done, check for a video signal before moving to settings. Once you have a connection, adjust the Xbox display because mismatched resolutions or HDR settings can stop video. If you still see no picture, boot the console into low-resolution mode by holding the controller's bind and eject while powering on. This forces a safe display. Then navigate to Settings, Display and Sound and pick 1080p or 720p depending on your TV. Also turn off HDR and automatic refresh detection for now. Finish by confirming the fix and covering edge cases so video remains stable. You should test the Xbox on a second TV or monitor to see whether the console or the first TV is at fault. This isolates hardware issues. Make sure the Xbox and TV firmware are updated because compatibility fixes arrive in updates. If the issue persists, swap HDMI cables and try a different port. If still failing, contact support. One key tip: testing another display quickly tells you which device to focus on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.